What will the organization Osman be in the next episode? Commander Nayman's attempts to dethrone Orhan and the Seljuk Sultan Alat, the two great trump cards in his hand to stop Osman Bey, were inconclusive with Osman Bey's clever moves. Now, Nayman has seen what Osman Bey can do and offered to fight one-on-one. Osman Bey and Commander Nayman want to end this war by making a mutual agreement. Osman Bey will ask Nayman to kneel and keep his word. Although he is a Mongolian commander, he is a brave enemy, and Nayman will keep his word and tell his army to pay allegiance to Osman Bey. However, the Nokers who do not listen to Nayman will attack Osman Bey and his Alps, and there will be a great war. After this war, Nayman may be captured. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our next analysis videos about what will happen in the next episode of our Establishment Osman series.